What is 0.04% as a fraction in simplest form? You can rewrite this. Percent means 1 over 100. So 0.04 times 1 over 100. Now multiply top number together and bottom number together. Look, 10, 100, these are called power of 10. To divide a decimal by power of 10, what will you do? Just move the decimal from right to left after counting the number of zeros in the power of 10. Here number of 0 is 2, so decimal point will move right to left 2 places. 1 plus, placeholder 0, 2 plus. So we are guessing decimal 0004. Now convert this decimal to fraction. We need numerator and denominator. For numerator, just keep the decimal, write the number you are getting. And for denominator, for every digit after decimal, you have to consider 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have to write 410 as a multiplication. This 3 0 don't have any value. Now you need to simplify. So look, this is divisible by 2, this is divisible by 2. So do it. This is divisible by 2 and this is divisible by 2. So do it. So we are getting 1 over 5 times 525 times 1 times 1, 1, add zeros. Now look, 25 times 1, 25, add zeros. So the common factor between 1 and 2500 is 1. So you can say that this is the lowest term or reduced form.